Hello viewers, here is a Hunter air filter. This is a model number 30100, and I guess I was incorrect. It's an air purifier. Whatever the difference is, I don't know. This was made in Taiwan, and it's double insulated, and it does draw 1 amp. I don't see a date code anywhere on here. I suspect this is probably a product of the late 90s, perhaps early 2000s. It does have a polarized plug, so it can't be that old. My mother has one similar to this, which I have recorded. It's a little bit smaller and the controls is different. This one does not appear to have the ion generator ozonator thing, so I believe this is the speed control, and then this is on and off, so this does not have an off position. And you can see in the register here, okay, can we unblur and show what's in there? You can kind of see that post there. On the other one that I'm talking about, that's where the ozone generator thing, the ionizer, is tied to, and it's like a little piece of wire, I guess, the ions blow off of it. So this doesn't have that, although it seems like the provisions for it are there. Now this one, the register is not straight out, it's a little bit directed forward, so which is kind of counterintuitive considering that this is where the filter is. I would think it should blow away from the intake. And this does have a wall mount on the back, so it can hang on the wall, which is kind of cool. How does this come over here? Okay. Release this from the bottom. Yes, it does look like it releases from the bottom. Some tabs here that probably can be pushed in and then released. There we go. This is somewhat difficult. Okay, there we go. What in the world? Okay, this is very strange. That's not what I wanted to happen. Looks like somebody has tampered with this at some point. I cannot fathom that the filter is supposed to be screwed in with 7 bolts. I refuse to believe that. Okay, so this is missing the HEPA filter. This is... yeah, that's really odd, because even this, I'm not sure that this is, and this looks like it could be original at least. This is some kind of a large particle dust filter. And I don't know, I still find it hard to believe that they would have it so that you have to unscrew something to change the filter. And also, now this does cover the entirety of the opening. I don't know if this is original or not. This whole contraption I know is not. There's no way. These are just carbon filters. This is not the HEPA. There should be something that sits in here, and that we don't have. The water's kind of stiff. So, actually it's not too bad. I suspect we could still get a filter for this. It looks like a relatively standard size. I'm pretty sure that somebody just got creative for whatever reason and didn't want to buy a new HEPA filter and just did this and screwed it in. I'm completely positive that that's not original. Maybe I'm wrong, but I doubt it. At least in this case anyways. So this... Actually, that's quite dirty. That needs to be cleaned. I don't know if this is original or not. I have my doubts. Well, anyways, that's odd. That's just really odd. Here's a look at the motor. Wonder if that's an oil port on there. Nope. It doesn't want to come off. That's probably just maybe for the filter to rest on or something. Looks like a decent quality motor. It is definitely a PSC motor. And although the physical cage is bigger than the other model that I have recorded in the past, the fan looks like it's the same. Well, there is information on there. There's a part number for whatever that's worth. It says Hung Sing Electric Company, 1 amp. So it does appear like it was probably made in China. Well, filter anomalies aside, let's put this back together and we'll run it. It's not going to run the same as it would if there was a filter in there, because there's not going to be enough resistance on the blade. But we can see if at least it works or not. Put that to low, plug this in, and let's see what transpires. It's running. Relatively quiet. It's actually running seemingly at about a normal speed. Come on, tripod, there we go. It's moving a good amount of air. Sounds like the other one does. 2, 3. It's got a decent amount of power to it. Not bad at all. It's hard to see the spin down. The camera's not cooperating very well today. But the spin down was pretty short. So it does seem to run because of the coronavirus freak show. It takes a long time to get anything in on Amazon, but I will look and see if I can find a filter for this. And if I can find a filter, then we'll clean it up and use it. If I can't find a filter, then it'll just sit in the shop for the next 50 years. I don't know. Find something to do with it. Yeah, I don't know. Very strange. Very strange with that filter thing in there. I have no idea how that ended up like that.